Have you ever noticed how some women effortlessly captivate men's hearts, even without conventional beauty? It's as if they possess an invisible allure that draws men in, making them irresistible. This phenomenon isn't about having the perfect face or body. It's about something much more profound. It's a magnetism that runs deeper than skin deep. It's the way they carry themselves, the confidence in their stride, and the sparkle in their eyes. This kind of attraction is rooted in authenticity and self-assuredness. True attraction transcends the physical realm. It's about the connection that forms when two souls recognize something special in each other. This connection is built on shared values, mutual respect, and genuine interest. It's about igniting a man's soul, making him crave your presence on every level. When you engage him intellectually, emotionally, and spiritually, you create a bond that goes beyond mere physical attraction. While looks might spark initial interest, it's the emotional, mental, and energetic connection that truly captivates a man's heart. This deeper connection is what keeps the flame of attraction burning bright. This isn't about playing games. It's about understanding the subtle nuances of attraction that bind two souls. It's about being genuine and showing your true self, which in turn encourages him to do the same. It's about embracing your authentic self and letting your inner radiance shine through. When you are comfortable in your own skin, it naturally attracts others to you. This is about unlocking a love that runs deeper, a connection that sets your soul on fire. It's about finding someone who sees you for who you truly are and cherishes every part of you. It's about understanding the masculine heart and knowing how to speak its language without words. This silent communication can create a bond that words alone cannot express. Are you ready to discover the secrets to making him crave you for more than just your looks? Let's dive in and explore the depths of true attraction together. Anticipation is the ultimate aphrodisiac. It creates a sense of excitement and longing that can deepen the connection between two people. When you're constantly available, it can diminish the thrill of the chase. The mystery and allure start to fade, making the relationship feel routine. Men thrive on pursuing what they desire, so give him space to miss you. This space allows him to reflect on his feelings and appreciate your presence even more. Don't be afraid to have your own life, your own passions, and your own schedule. Engaging in activities that make you happy not only enriches your life, but also makes you more attractive. This doesn't mean playing hard to get, but rather showcasing your self-sufficiency and independence. It's about being a whole person who doesn't rely on someone else for happiness. When you're engaged in a fulfilling life, you exude an irresistible aura of confidence and desirability. This natural confidence is incredibly attractive and draws people to you. Absence makes the heart grow fonder, so allow him to yearn for your presence. This yearning can reignite the spark and keep the relationship fresh and exciting. Let him initiate contact sometimes. This gives him the opportunity to show his interest and effort in maintaining the relationship. Let him wonder about you. A little bit of mystery can keep the relationship intriguing and prevent it from becoming monotonous. Trust me, a little mystery goes a long way. It keeps the relationship dynamic and full of surprises, making every moment together more special. A woman with a passion for life is incredibly alluring. When you're excited about your own goals, hobbies, and aspirations, you radiate an infectious energy that draws people in. What makes your heart sing? What are you deeply passionate about? Pursue those things with gusto. A woman with a sense of purpose is magnetic. Share your passions with him, but don't feel the need to involve him in every aspect of your life. Maintain your own interests and friendships. This demonstrates that you're a complete individual with a rich inner world, a captivating combination he'll be eager to explore. Section 4. Minds entwined. Intellectual chemistry sparks the flame. While physical attraction is important, intellectual chemistry is what fuels a lasting connection. It's the spark that keeps the flame alive long after the initial excitement fades. Men are drawn to women who can challenge them mentally, who can engage them in thought-provoking discussions and offer new perspectives. Engage them in stimulating conversations that go beyond the surface level, delving into topics that matter to both of you. Make them think differently, challenge their viewpoints, and encourage them to see the world through a new lens. Don't be afraid to share your opinions, even if they differ from his. Your unique perspective is what makes the conversation rich and engaging. Healthy debates can be incredibly seductive. They show that you are passionate and knowledgeable, qualities that are highly attractive. Show genuine interest in his thoughts and perspectives, and let him know that you value his intellect. Don't shy away from sharing your own intelligence and wit. Your insights and humor can create a deeper connection. Remember, intelligence is incredibly sexy. It's a trait that never goes out of style and always leaves a lasting impression. When you can connect on an intellectual level, you create a bond that goes far beyond the superficial. This kind of connection is the foundation of a strong, enduring relationship. Section 5. Heart to heart. Emotional connection creates lasting bonds. Emotional connection is the bedrock of any meaningful relationship. Men crave feeling understood, valued, and appreciated for who they are at their core. Be a good listener. When he shares his thoughts and feelings, truly listen without judgment. Offer your support and empathy. Don't be afraid to be vulnerable yourself. Sharing your authentic feelings and experiences creates a deep sense of intimacy and trust. Section 6. Unlocking his heart. Your irresistible aura. Unlocking a man's heart goes beyond superficial tactics. It's about cultivating an irresistible aura that emanates from within. When you embrace your authentic self, nurture your passions, and connect on an emotional and intellectual level, you become a force of nature. Remember, confidence is key. Believe in your own worthiness of love and connection. Don't be afraid to let your true self shine through. When you embody these qualities, you become the woman men crave, not just for a night, but for a lifetime. The power to unlock his heart lies within you. Section 7. The power of vulnerability. In the journey of building a deep emotional connection, vulnerability is your greatest ally. Being open and honest about your feelings, fears, and dreams creates a space for genuine intimacy to flourish. When you share your authentic self, it encourages him to do the same, breaking down emotional walls and fostering a bond that is both profound and enduring. Imagine two souls, unguarded and sincere, finding comfort and strength in each other's honesty. It's in these moments of true vulnerability that trust is built, and a deeper understanding of one another is achieved. Remember, it's not about being perfect, it's about being real. Embrace your imperfections and let them be a bridge to his heart. In a world that often values facade over truth, being vulnerable is a courageous act of love. It shows that you trust him enough to see the real you, and it invites him to reciprocate that trust. This mutual openness is the cornerstone of a lasting emotional connection, making your relationship not just a fleeting romance but a profound partnership. So, let down your guard and let your true self be seen. In doing so, you unlock not just his heart, but the potential for a love that is deep, meaningful, and everlasting. Section 8. The Dance of Minds. In the intricate tapestry of human connection, intellectual chemistry is an often overlooked yet vital thread. It's about more than just sharing knowledge. It's about the thrilling exchange of ideas, the joy of mutual discovery, and the excitement of intellectual synergy. When you engage in stimulating conversations, challenge each other's perspectives, and explore new concepts together, you create a dynamic interplay that keeps the relationship vibrant and engaging. Imagine the spark in his eyes when you introduce a new thought-provoking idea, or when he shares a fascinating insight that you hadn't considered before. This intellectual dance not only keeps the relationship fresh, but also deepens your bond as you grow and learn together. It's about finding joy in each other's minds and celebrating the unique ways you both think and understand the world. The beauty of intellectual chemistry lies in its ability to foster a deeper appreciation for one another. It's about recognizing and valuing each other's intellect and how it shapes your views, dreams, and ambitions. This mutual respect and admiration for each other's minds create a solid foundation for a relationship that is both intellectually stimulating and emotionally fulfilling. So, dive into those deep conversations, explore new ideas, and let your minds dance together. In this shared intellectual journey, you'll discover not just a partner, but a fellow explorer who ignites your curiosity and fuels your passion for learning. This is the essence of true intellectual chemistry, and it's a powerful force in creating a connection that is not only deep and meaningful, but also endlessly fascinating. Section 9. The Fire of Shared Passions. When two individuals come together, their shared passions can create a powerful bond that transcends the ordinary. This isn't just about having similar hobbies or interests, it's about finding a common purpose that fuels both of your souls. Imagine the thrill of discovering that you both care deeply about the same cause, whether it's environmental conservation, social justice, or artistic expression. This shared mission not only brings you closer, but also gives your relationship a deeper sense of meaning. When you align your energies towards a common goal, you create a synergy that is both motivating and fulfilling. Picture the late-night brainstorming sessions, the collaborative projects, and the mutual support as you work towards something greater than yourselves. It's in these moments of shared effort and dedication that you truly connect on a profound level. This shared passion can also serve as a beacon during challenging times, reminding you both of what you're striving for and why you're in this together. It's the kind of connection that not only brings out the best in each other, but also inspires you to grow and evolve as individuals. The fire of shared passions ignites a sense of purpose in your relationship, making every moment together a step towards achieving something meaningful. So, embrace these shared passions, nurture them, and let them be the guiding force in your journey together. In this shared purpose, you'll find a bond that is not only strong and resilient, but also deeply enriching. This is the true essence of a passionate and purposeful relationship, one that is built on mutual respect, shared dreams, and a collective drive to make a difference in the world. It's not just about loving each other, it's about loving what you can create and achieve together.